Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today's in this video we are going to learn about HTML inline and what we'll see about block elements, and also we are going to learn about ID attribute and class attribute also. So today's video is like a very important one. Don't miss it out, and do watch this video completely. Fine. Mm, First we'll go with this third side and we'll go for a second. Okay, like first we'll learn about what is HTML inline element or something. Okay, inline element is like a very basic element. Always it will start with a new line itself. Like inline elements are they're always start with a new line, and this inline elements are they occupy the space like whatever they're required. We'll just go with the VS Code and I'll explain this stuff. In the VS Code we have created a new folder, and here we'll write this emit abbreviations. And yeah, in this emit abbreviation, in this title we'll do some changes. Here we'll write inline and block elements. Today we're going to learn about inline and block elements. No, we'll just write this only. Inline and block elements. Fine. Here we have written like inline and block elements. Fine. Uh, I'll just execute one program and I'll explain the stuff. Then only you'll get to know about it like a very simple way or something. Fine. Here, like first of all, we'll write with a para tag or something. Here we have written the para tag, and simply I'll write here like I am nap or something. Fine. Or like whatever the stuff you want, you can write here. Yeah. This is the thingy, and yeah, I'll use this another tag, and here I'll write anchor tag. This is nothing but an anchor tag. We are using the anchor tag, and here we'll write like what we'll tell, like google.com or something, like whatever the website you want, you can write here. I'll write here like https and this stuff .com. Fine. We have given this stuff here, and we'll close this. Yeah, we'll close this stuff. Okay, and in between this like opening tag and closing tag, you can write like content. I'll write to Google. Fine. Now if I execute this program, we'll see like what is the output or something. Before executing this stuff, I'll just explain you again. Like inline elements are there. No, inline elements are the elements which will consume only that much part, like that much space, whatever it is required. You can see here, like this Google is there. No, I am nap and this Google is there. No. They're consuming only this much part. They're not consuming this whole place or something. If I click on this Google, yeah, it will work again. We are going with the Google website or something. Fine. Uh, with the CSS file, you can understand it very easily. So what we'll do, we'll create a one more folder called like a CSS style or something. Fine. Then you will get to know about this stuff very easily. Okay. Now we'll create a one more what we tell file called like CSS. If you don't know CSS now, no need to worry. I will teach you the CSS in like upcoming classes or something. As of now, to understanding this stuff, we need to create a CSS file. Fine. Okay, now we have created a CSS file, and here I'll write simply a simple like programs are there. Here I'll write this stuff, and yeah, here I'll write like background is equal to, okay, background color we'll use, and yeah, we'll use like any color, like whatever it is there or something. Fine. I have used like some random colors. We'll see. Now we need to link this, right? We need to link this stuff for here also. Under we have like CSS file, and again we have like what we call HTML file. We need to link both of them. No, for that, come for this header tag. Under this header tag, after this title, you should write here link. If you don't know CSS now, don't no need to worry. We'll just learn like later also. Fine. I'll To understand this concept, we need to include this what we tell. We need to include this CSS file also. Then only we'll understand this concept very better or something. Okay, here we'll write a style sheet. Fine. Here we have written the style sheet, and we'll ref href is equal to, and here I will write again the style sheet. Okay, style dot css. Okay, here we'll write and we close this stuff. Fine. Now if I execute this program, we'll see what will be the output or something. Okay. Now you can see like inline elements are there. No? This is a inline element. Fine. Okay, you can see this is a inline element. I'm nap is 0. It is consuming the space like this much. Fine. Okay. Here you can see like we have written here like anchor tag is 0. You can see in this what we tell examples. Anchor tag is 0. Anchor tag is nothing but it is like a inline element. It is consuming the space like whatever it is required or something. You can see when I executed this program previously. Okay, this Google is there no. Google is like taking the only like this much space. It is not. You can see like IAMNAP is there no. Like I'll just go here back and you can see this is a para. This is parrot tag is nothing but it is like a block element. Actually, block element will consume the like entire like a space or something, entire space of this browser or something. Fine. When you execute this like a block element program, it will consume like entire like this block, entire like area it will consume. But this anchor tag is there. No anchor tag is like a it is like a inline element. I'll tell you again. You can go through this PPT also. In this PPT also, we have give some many examples like this anchor tag, span tag, image tag, input tag, label tag, and storage tag, and BR tag also, and even this code tag. And we have many tags which will not consume any more space or something. Like whatever it is required like space, it will take that much only. But this parrot tag is there no, like parrot tag is consuming this entire like space or something. But this Google is there no, like Google like where we have written this Google we have written in this anchor tag. Because of that only it is consuming only like this much space, like whatever it is required, only that much space it is consuming. Fine, this is all about for like inline tag or something. I'll once go with this stuff. Fine. Okay. This is all about for like inline element or something. In the inline element, these are the examples, and yeah, many examples are in like upcoming slides. You can go through them later also. Now we'll go for the second slide. We'll see like what is the block element or something. Fine. Like previously we seen this like inline element. Inline element will consume the only space like whatever it is required or something. Fine. But this like block element is like completely dead opposite to that like inline elements or something. This block elements are there no. Actually, they will consume like entire space of that whole like rows or something. Where once if I execute any program with this block elements, you can see like for example, first we go to the examples of the block elements. In the block elements, we have like a div, para tag, and headline tag, and yeah, some like forms are there. Yesterday in this yesterday video only we discuss about the forms and tables also we have like discussed like previously. This all tags are there. They'll come under this block elements. And yeah, this block elements are no, they'll consume entire area like entire space like whatever width is there, width they'll consume like occupy the full available width. You can see here in the second point I have written they occupy the full available width of the their like whatever the contents are there. No? Okay, if I go for the VS Code, and here you can see in the VS Code, in this para tag, it is there. No, I'm NapPy. I have written in the para tag. This para tag you can see. This is example of this block element. If I execute the same program, no, if I execute this same program, you can see this is I'm nap is 0. It is occupying the full width of this entire area. You can see this is a full area. It is acquiring. If I write anything in the if I in this parrot tag only like if I like create a new parrot tag or something, if I write anything, we'll see like what will be the output or something. Here I'll write HTML only. Fine. Here I written this HTML. We'll see. We'll execute this program again. Okay, you can see like it is coming in the next line only. And yeah, this is a one more like feature of one more like what we tell feature of this like block element. Block element always starts on a like new line only. If you have written like a parrot, whatever the block elements are now, they'll always start with a new line. They won't like prefer to be available on the same line or something. You can see this is first one is there. I am nap I have written here. Like this is a parrot tag and this is also parrot tag. HTML I have written. This is also parrot tag. But once I executed this program, you can see they both are coming in the new line only. Like they're like occupying the entire width. This is nothing but a block elements. I'll repeat again. Block elements, whatever the elements are, there, they'll occupy the entire width of the screen, like whatever it is there. But what is there? Like inline elements are the no. Inline elements occupy the space like whatever they are required. Like how much it is required, that much space only they will take or adopt or something. Fine. This is all about for this stuff. Fine. Next we'll go with that what we'll tell. Next we'll see in the slide. You can see like block elements versus like inline elements are there. You can go through this also. Fine. You can go through this also, like what is the block element, what is inline elements, like all these like basic comparisons are there. You can go through them also in the later. Like you can pause the video and you can read this stuff in the, yeah, you can pause the video and you can read it out or something. Fine. Next we'll go with the common block elements. These are the like a bunch of like examples of we have these are the bunch of examples on like block elements. You can go through them also. We have div and paragraph, header tile, like unordered list, order list, all are there. No, like these all we have discussed in the previous video also. These forms also we have discussed. This list also we have discussed. Tables also we have discussed. Yeah, like remaining all like upcoming videos we all discuss. We'll discuss all remaining tags also. Okay, you can here also we have written like simple examples also. You can go through them later. And yeah, coming for like a common inline elements, here also we have some bunch of examples. You can go through this also. And yeah, this is all about for like inline and like block elements. In this like till now what we discussed, like we discussed about like what is inline elements, like what is like block elements. Inline elements are the elements which will occupy the space like whatever they require. They won't consume the full width of the screen or something. But the block elements are, you know, they'll consume like a full width of the screen, and they'll always start with a new line itself. They won't go with a, like a same line or something. Fine. This is all about for like inline element and this block element. And now one common like questions will come in like all the people's mind, that is like whether like this inline elements are there. No, inline elements and block elements are there. We'll just go through the examples also. You can see this div is there, like div is a block element. Can we convert this div into like a inline element or something, like it is in the block element? No, whether we can convert into like a inline element or something, is it possible? And yeah, if I go with this common like inline elements, in the inline elements you can see this is like span is there, right? The span, image, input, label, these all tags are there, right? These all tags are there, no? Like whether we can convert them into like a what you tell block element, is it possible? Yeah, this is an assignment for you all guys. Just all of you go through this like stuff, just do the research or something. And like I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. Just do the some research, go with the chat gpt or something. And yeah, just go through this, like whether it is possible. Like can we convert this block elements into this inline elements and inline elements to the block element? Yeah, this is the assignment for you guys for like today's video. Just go through them. And okay, now we'll just continue with like our topic. Next we'll see like what is like id attributes and what is like a class attribute. Actually these are like a very important concept, but most of them will get confused in the id attributes and like class attributes. Like initially when I'm also like now also I'm learning only, like whenever I'm learning this html the stuff, that time I got confused between this id attribution and class attribution also. But with the examples and with some different stuff, we'll just try to explain you this thingy today. Fine. Before like going with this id tag and this class tag, like let me give you some examples and I'll explain you stuff. Okay, first we'll go with the id attribution. Like before diving into the main concept, like let me give you some let me ask you some simple questions, like what is like id, what is like id, or like what is id? ID is nothing but like a unique identity, right? Like it is a unique identity. Whenever like you are like opening your Instagram account or something, it will ask for the ID, right? So, like and again, like whatever the ID you have, like some different people can't like take that ID and like keep for themselves, right? It's like a unique identity. Like take the example of like your Aadhaar card number or something. Like from the previous video also I gave the same example for the ID. Today also I'll give same example. If I have like some series of number in my like Aadhaar card, the same number it won't be appearing in like in your other card also, like same series or something. Fine. If I example for example I have like my other card number 1234, and some other people also can't have that 1234 like a same number, other number in their like other card or something. Fine. This is nothing but a id attribution. But class attribution is there, no? It will be like similar for many of the things. Like if I assume that we have some 4 to 5 friends, like we all are studying in the same class, right? That class is there, like it is common for all the 4 people, like we are studying in the same class. I'll just type something and I'll explain you guys in the VS Code itself. Fine. First of all I'll take the example of some few names. I will just give, I'll give like a nap. Fine. We'll just go with some different names, Satish. I give Satish name, and yeah, these are okay. Now Nap is the Nap and Satish are like a very close friend. We'll assume that, and yeah, we'll just give 1 2 3 4. This is a Nap Aadhaar number, and this is like a what you tell. This is Satish like Aadhaar number. Now like Nap got a new friend in his class. We'll assume that name is called like something. We'll just keep that name like something like what to tell. Okay, we'll give name Harry. Fine. We'll give name Harry, and yeah, the Harry like other number is like this is 1010 something. Fine, you can give. And one more name like we got Kiran. Fine. Okay. Now Nap got a new friend in the class called Harry, and Satish got a new friend in the class called like we'll keep a Kiran, and Kiran like number is like 9696 other number. We'll just keep a example. Fine. We'll just give a examples. Okay, fine. Like you can see, this Nap is there. Nap is also having some different like other number, and Harry is having some different other number, and Satish also, and Kiran also. Like these all four people are no there. No, they all have some different numbers in their other number. This different number is nothing but ID, like a unique identity or something. This all four people are there. No, but these all four people have some different like other number or something. Now coming for their class, and now Nap is studying in like CSC CSC class, and Harry is from like we'll keep EC branch or something. Fine. And yeah, we'll give Satish. He's also from CSC, and we'll give for the Kiran. Kiran is from like ECE. We'll just give example. Fine. Now you can see this CS is there. No, CSC. It is a class. CSC is nothing but it is a class where in the common class we have like multiple students. You can see like Nap is also from a like a CS department, and yeah, this Satish is also from a what we tell. He's also from like a common classes or something. Fine. And once we coming for this Harry and Kiran or something, and these peoples are like from this Harry and Kiran is they are from the EC department or something. Here like class is common, like common for like many elements, but the ID is their ID is like a different thingy. Fine. This is all about for like ID and class. We'll go with examples also like later. Okay, like let us see like some brief thingy in this PPT. ID. Here you can see like in the key points I have written ID is like a nothing but it is a unique page or something. It is a unique identity. We'll keep every time. And yeah, only one element can have the same ID. You can see like an example in the here only I will take the Nap and Satish are there. No, like we'll keep like whether it is possible like two peoples on our like a country or something. Like whether they will have a same identity or something, and whether like they will be having the same other number or something. No, right? If the two peoples in our country like they are having the same other number, it will be considered as a crime or something. It will be like a glitch or something. If like a you can say like Nap is having 1 2 3 4 like other number, and if assume that Satish also having 1 2 3 4 number, it is like a not possible, right? Like other number will be like unique for one person to another person. If the both people having the same other number means it will be like considered as a crime, or like it will be like a glitch or something. Like they will face some many problem, and our government also like not want to like people to suffer or something. So they are providing like a different other number or something. Fine. This is all about for the ID or something, and we have like a many like stuff to execute. We'll just execute on program on this idea, and better you will understand more or something. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll just go for the VS code, and we'll just execute the same program, like whatever the program you can see on the screen. We'll just execute the same program, and yeah, we'll just with the example you can understand this stuff better or something. Fine. We'll just type like a one program in this stuff. Okay, in the body like we'll just remove this all thingy. Fine. uh, Okay, we'll just remove the stuff, and here we'll just take a div form or something. We'll just take a div tag, and here we'll create a if you are like written in the uppercase also, no need to worry, like HTML is not a case sensitive. For our like better understanding, I'll just write in the small letters itself. I'll just write here like ID is equal to, we'll just we need to like create ID, right? Like before uh, like we are discussing about ID, so in this div only we'll create ID, like we'll create here like header or something. Fine. We'll just write here header. Fine. We'll just write header, and we'll close the stuff. Okay, now here we have written this header and we'll close the stuff. And yeah, in this div only we'll write one more like headline tag or something, h1 will write, and we'll close the stuff. And here I'll write like welcome to NapPy or something. Okay, I have written here like welcome to NapPy, and like we'll just go with a new thingy, and here we'll write a paragraph or something. Here we'll write a para tag and we'll close the stuff, and in between we'll write a content, like whatever the content, like we'll write this is a unique page or something. This is the ID. Just give this is the ID header scale or something. We have written like this is the ID header section or something. You can write like whatever the thing it is there. Fine. Okay. Fine. Fine. Uh, Here like one more section will write here, like one more paragraph will write like after this div is there. After like here we'll write one more paragraph. Here I'll write like hi, this is nap something. Fine. I have written this program, and coming for in the style sheet also we'll do some changes. I'll execute this program and I'll explain you like whatever the thing is there or something. Fine. Before that, executing this program, I'll explain about this slide also. Then you'll understand it in a better way or something. Okay, before that, I'll explain. Uh, One more thing I have forgotten to explain you guys. Like this, you can see the hashtag. You know, this hashtag is nothing but it will identify this. This is like a HTML attribute. It is a ID attribute. ID attributes are always written in the hashtags in the CSS file or something. In the CSS files, you are writing the ID attribution attribute. That time you'll use the hashtags. And yeah, in the class attributes you are using the dot in the css file. Like whenever you are writing something in the css file, that time you'll use the dot for the class attribution attribute or something. In the id attribute you will use the hashtags. You just do remember this both point and don't get confused. So now you can see in the VS Code, I'll just go with the VS Code. Okay, we'll just go with the VS Code again. In the VS Code you can see in the what we tell, this is a CSS file, right? In the CSS file, now I'm writing what we tell, we are writing the ID attribution attribute. This time I'll use this what I'll use the hashtags or something. Fine. Fine. Here I'm using the hashtag and here I'm writing this header or something. Fine. Under this we'll write this we'll write the stuff. Before that, once we'll check with this stuff. Here we'll write background. Okay, it became background color. We'll keep a some different. Okay, we'll keep aqua itself. Aqua is good. And color also will do. Color will keep a white or something. White will be good. Fine. We'll keep a color white, and we'll go with the pedaling. Pedaling is like nothing but it is like kind of button or something you can assume. And we'll adjust the pixel also. PX will write. Yeah, this is all the stuff we have written. Now, fine. If I execute this program, we'll see like what will happen or something. Now I give for execution of program. You can see whole stuff you can see, right? Now this headline is, welcome to NapPy, and this is a ID header section. You can see these all stuff are highlighted, and like whatever the para it is, like you can see in the VS Code. Like after this div we have written one more para, right? Here I have written like hi, this is Nap. You can see this execution of this program. If I when I executed this program, it came downside here. Now, one more thing we need to understand in this program. Here you can see like header is there. No, I have created the ID, and in the div, whatever the places are there, no, like whatever the content we have written, like we have written like here like I written like headline tag, headline one, and we have written one para tag also. This only this both tags got colored in this output. You can see in this output you can see like only like this headline tag and one para tag which I have written in the div tag. You can see like only this both stuff got colored, but one more para tag we have written like after this div, but it didn't get any colored or something. It didn't get colored. You can see like div is there, no div is nothing but it will give a space. That's it. It will give space, new space for like whatever the contents we want to write. You can see like whatever the content we have written inside the div, right, it got colored, but whatever the like para or something, whatever the content I have written like after this div tag, it didn't get colored or something. Fine. You can see like clear difference. Like I have written here like in the div tag I have written the id. Like whatever the stuff I have write in this div tag, it will get colored. It is nothing but a id. We are giving the unique identity for like div tag. Only this stuff, only this part is getting like colored or highlighted or something. And like whatever the content we are writing after a div, no, this is not getting colored or something. You can see in the output also once again. Fine. This is hi, this is nap, it is there, no, this is not got color, it not got colored or something. But welcome to NapPy, and this is a id header section, it is there, no? This got colored. This is nothing but a id, what to tell, this is nothing but a id attribution or something. I'll go with the ppt again. You can see once again I'll just explain this slide or something, and we'll go with the class attribution. Here in this id attribution, like id attribution is nothing but we are giving the unique identity for like a new page or something, unique page or something. We are giving the unique identity, and only one element can have the same id. I'm telling. You can see in the div section, in the div tag you can see like this id is the, this same id can't be given for the, like if I create one more div tag, if I like write another like new one more like div tag, in the div tag I can't use like same id. This header is the, no, this same id I can't use there. If I use that, program won't get executed or something. It will be like a unique identity or something. Fine. We can't use like same id for like a new more tag, like whatever the tag we are writing in the code or something. Fine. This is all about for like ID attribution. And once again, I'll go with this program in the VS Code, and I'll explain the output, and we'll go with the class attribution. Fine. Here, once again, I'm explaining like div is the like div tag. In the div tag, I have written the ID. ID is nothing but it is unique identity. Like I give for like this section, like whatever the div tag is then. Div tag is nothing but it is give the space. That's it. In the div tag, whatever I'm writing the content, it is getting colored. You can see in the output, once again I'm telling it is getting colored. But whatever the thingy I have written like after this div tag, it is not getting colored or something. Fine. This is all over for like a in like what we tell this is the idea attribution or something. Fine. Now we will go with the class attribution. Like class attribution is like completely opposite to idea attribution or something. Here like a class can be used for multiple elements. If I writing this class is, we can use for like multiple elements, like if you are writing some more elements or something, that time you can use the class. And yeah, we have written like mentioned earlier itself, this dot is the, no, in the css file, this dot is like meant for this class attribution. And here in the id attribution you can see like hashtag is zero. That hashtag is meant for like a id attribution in css file. Like whenever I'll teach this css in the upcoming classes, now just do remember only this small points, like whatever we are writing, and no need to like worry about the css now. First we'll complete this html, and then we'll dive into the css. That's it. Fine. You can see. And yeah, first of all, I'll just execute this program and I'll explain you. Then, in the better way, you can understand this program, this concept or something. Fine. So let me go for the VS Code again. Let me go for this VS Code, and I'll do some changes over here. And yeah, in the do section is then we'll just completely remove this whole stuff, and we'll write a new program